The global economy is being rewired in real time. Energy systems are shifting. Industrial supply chains are fragmenting and reforming. Technology, defense, and decarbonization are reshaping how nations think about security, resilience, and competitiveness. At the center of all of this is a quiet, structural reality. Minerals now sit at the heart of economic power. And for Africa, this moment is not simply about responding to global demand. It is about something far more fundamental. It is about agency. Across the continent, we have inherited a dysfunctional extractive system, where Africa bears the cost of moving raw materials to the world, then pays a premium to buy finished goods back. Global trade works efficiently, but at Africa's expense. At the core of this structural misalignment, three things rarely sit in the same place: the resource, the infrastructure to transform it into competitive products, and the demand that gives it scale and commercial certainty. The paradoxes are clear. This mismatch explains why steel capacity lies idle in some markets, while railways and housing projects elsewhere are forced to import steel at high cost. Why ferroalloys, fertilizers, and industrial inputs remain tied to external cycles rather than Africa's own growth trajectory. Changing this requires coordination on an unprecedented scale. Much of the global conversation today is framed around critical minerals for the energy transition. Africa's priorities are broader and more grounded. Food security, industrialization, housing, power grids, railways, digital infrastructure. From this perspective, phosphates and potash are as strategic as lithium. Iron ore and ferroalloys are as consequential as rare earths. Because without them, there is no construction, no manufacturing, no regional trade, no economic transformation, and no jobs. Africa is the world's fastest urbanizing region. It has the lowest steel use per capita, the lowest electricity consumption per capita, and one of the lowest fertilizer application rates globally, which means something very simple but very powerful. The world's largest future demand for mineral-intensive growth is here, on this continent. The opportunity is not just to supply the world, it is to build Africa. It is from this starting point that we launch today, the Compendium of Africa's Strategic Minerals. A strategic map for aligning minerals, infrastructure, and demand into regional industrial systems. It is a statement about what we must build, and the moment to build it is now.